Let's be friends. One beautiful morning, Taiyo is on his way to the car wash. Oh! Taiyo's friends are gathered over there.
That's hilarious!
Hey, where's Taiyo?
Oh, he went to the car wash.
Oh!
Wow, a beautiful car dazzles the little buses.
Wow!
Oh, hi, you guys. Where's Hannah?
Oh! Over there!
Thanks.
Wow, he's awesome!
Let's follow him.
Uh-huh.
Hannah!
Shine! Long time no see. Are you here for a checkup? What are you guys doing here?
Who's that?
Oh, this is...
Oh, me? Jeez, you don't know me? The name is Shine. I'm the coolest, finest car in town.
Wow!
Okay, Shine, come on in.
Okay.
Oh, he's awesome, isn't he?
Uh-huh. And very shiny.
He's so cool.
Wow.
Hey, you guys!
Huh?
Whew, look at this! Whew.
Taiyo!
Huh? Where's everyone going?
Wow, Taiyo! That's amazing!
Huh? What's so great about that? Taiyo, just wait till I show you how awesome I am.
Oh, it's time for work. See you guys later.
And we're all off to work!
Aw, those cuties. You ready to go?
Well, I'll see you later.
Okay, bye.
I can't believe they ignored me. I won't put up with this. Taiyo, was it? He should be around here somewhere. Huh? There he is.
Oh, hello. Wow, you're really awesome. What's your name?
The name is Shine.
I'm Taiyo. Even your name is cool.
Ha! Of course. You want to see something even cooler?
Something cooler?
Watch this.
Huh? Wow! Wow, he's really fast. Incredible!
You haven't seen anything yet.
Hey, he ran a red light.
Huh? What's that sound?
Hey, Shine, pull over to the right.
What? Shine! You ran a red light. You could have gotten hurt. I'm sorry. I didn't see the light change.
Huh? Shine?
Ah! Taiyo! You pretend I didn't see him.
Huh?
Oh, I'm so embarrassed.
What?
Huh? No, that's not what I meant.
Shine was humiliated, trying to show off. There's Shine again. This time he's gotten waxed and looks extra shiny.
Huh? I see Taiyo. I'll really show him how awesome I am this time.
Off we go! Oh, Shine!
Want to see something really impressive?
Wow, that's so cool!
Darn, I passed the stop line. I'll just back up.
Huh? Careful! You're about to hit me! Oh no! Move it! What up there? Get lost! Disgusting! I'm so embarrassed. This is humiliating.
Hey, come back here! Give me back my chickens!
What's up with him? Taya, the little bus.
I've been humiliated twice. I can't make any more mistakes.
What's that noise? Oh, it was you. Huh?
Get lost! Hey, why are you laughing?
It's nothing.
Let's see if you're laughing after this.
Wow! That sounds awesome!
How's that? I have a super strong engine. Yours doesn't even compare to mine.
Wow!
Sounds cool, doesn't it? Listen to this.
Oh, what is that smell?
It smells like something's burning.
Shine, it's you!
What?
You're smoking from the hood!
What? Smoking?
Oh.
Ah! What's going on? It's hot! Somebody help me!
I hope he's okay. Goodbye, everyone! That's it for today! I'm so tired.
Tayo!
Oh, Shine, are you okay?
Why? What happened? I'm just here to show you something. Ta-da! So, what do you think?
Whoa!
These are high-quality tires that were made just for me.
Well, the important thing with tires is performance.
They are high performance. Want to see? Let's see. Aha! That's perfect. Follow me.
Huh? Where are you going, Shine? Oh, this road is under construction.
I'll show you how incredible my tires are. Watch this.
Oh, that's dangerous.
I know what I'm doing.
Shine!
What's going on? I think I'm stuck in the sand.
Are you okay?
I can't take another embarrassment. Of course, I'm fine.
You don't look like you're fine.
Don't worry, I'm serious. I'm just gonna stay here and take a breather. You can go on ahead.
Oh, really? Are you sure about that?
Absolutely. Go on home.
Okay, see you later. So long.
Bye? Tayo? Oh no! You can't leave me like this.
While Shine is stuck in the sand, night falls on the city.
What should I do? I can't budge. My tires are digging deeper. Now I'm even out of gas. I can't believe this is happening to the great Shine. What's going on now? What should I do? Now I can't see anything. What's that sound? Who's out there? Help me! Please help me!
Alone in the construction at night, Shine is trembling in fear.
I should have asked Tayo for help instead of trying to act cool. I'm getting sleepier and sleepier.
Shine, wake up! Shine!
Tayo?
Shine, are you okay?
What's going on?
Don't worry. We got you out of the sand.
Oh, thank you.
You shouldn't thank me. You should thank Tayo. Tayo's the one who brought me all the way here.
He did? Taiyo? I could have done it myself, you know.
Really? You want to go back in then?
No, I don't mean that.
We should get going now.
Okay. Hey, Shine. It seems like we ran into each other really often today.
Is he on to me? Really? I didn't notice. It's probably a coincidence.
Well, let's be friends. You know, since we run into each other so often.
All right! Well, I guess we could be friends if you want. But it's only because you asked me to be your friend, okay?
Whatever you say.
Taiyo and Shine have become friends. Hopefully, they'll continue to be friends for a long time to come.